Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about component architecture. So let's start. React is a component architecture. So each and everything you are going to see in the React web application, the view is a combination of components. Sir, can you please explain in the common man terms? So let us see. So right now, if you see this one, if you see this web page, there are some common HTML layouts. So let us see what are they. Product component, filter component, pagination component, and menu component, header, as well as application submenus. So right now, product list component is further divided into product component, another product component, another product component. Now the most reusable logic right now, you can see I'm going to create one product display layout, but it can be used product display logic, it can be used for one product display or many products. Many product means reusability. So right now this welcome page is coming from or displaying from a single web page or a collection of web pages, sir? Collection of web pages. Sir, can you give me some more insights into this? Yes, the header will be different, app menu will be different, application menu means our current web page menu is different, pagination will be different, different component, filter, as well as product list. So right now this entire web page is not displaying from a single web page, sir. It is a collection of web pages. So right now in the React, if we want to create a reusable UI, we will go for the component, or if you want to display the UI to the user, we will go for the component. So without component we cannot show anything to the user. That is a basic building block. So let us see different things. Now this is the Twitter. Now you can observe this is my post layout. Now in this one I can have one post or many posts for my account, but all will share common layout. Picture will be there, author name will be there, and its Twitter ID will be there, content will be there. Likewise we can have in the same way, you can see here this part of the web application provide what logic, who to follow. Now this one will be different, but layout is same. The layout technically same, but the data is different. So based on the data, automatically UI is going to be provided. Now this one, this single content can be used for only this web page or anywhere in your web application, anywhere in our web application. That is the beauty. Reusability is the key. So right now if I develop this one as a separate component, it can be used across the application. Now in the same way there are other things also there. So this one is the menu items. Likewise we can create, and in the same way, sir, this is the web page I want to display. Now you can easily identify this is my story component, this is my story. So likewise, how many stories I can display? One story or many stories, sir? Many stories, but layout. What is the layout, sir? How you are arranging the elements, image top and the website name and post address, post name. Likewise we are going to configure. So in this way, almost all of the web application right now they are moving to component architecture or reusable UI. In order to develop the component architecture way, in general we are going to use Angular or React or Vue also. All these are possible. So we in this course we are dealing with the React. So in the React framework, or by using the React framework, we can create a component in two different ways, by using a function or by using a class. So I'm going to explain this one in this video itself or next video, but This is about component architecture. Component architecture. I hope you understand the thing. So, thank you.